Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Alerts for your name and privacy, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Alerts website. In the search bar at the top of the page, type your name in quotation marks. Adding quotation marks ensures you get alerts specifically for your name, rather than common words. Select the options for filtering your notifications. You can choose how often you receive alerts, as they happen once a day or once a week. Next, decide on the types of sources you want alerts from. You can choose from news, blogs, web, books, and more. Consider selecting all to cast a wider net for your alerts. Scroll down to the language section. Select your preferred language for receiving alerts. In the next section, choose your region to narrow down relevant results. You can opt for any region or specify your location. Now, look for the How Many option. Choose whether you want to receive all results or only the best ones. After setting your preferences, enter your email address in the provided field. Make sure this is an active email account where you can receive notifications. Once you've completed all the fields, click the Create Alert button. You will see your new alert listed on the page. To manage or edit your alerts, simply return to the Google Alerts homepage. From there, you can change your settings or delete alerts as needed. To ensure your privacy, be cautious about the information you share online. Regularly check and update your alerts for the best results. This will help you stay informed about your online presence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.